Read the question. From this equation, you know that the slope is 2. So slope equals 2, okay, because this is in the form of y equals mx plus b, right? So m is the slope, and if you take a look at this equation, the slope is 2. Now you got the slope, and now you put that in the point slope equation, which is y minus y1 equals y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So here, if you take a look at this given point, this is x1, this is y1, right? So apply that in this equation. So you will get y minus this is, give me a second, this is not x1, this is y1, this is y1. Let me correct this. This is y1. So y minus 4 equals m is 2 times x minus x1. x1 is 1. So y minus 4 equals 2x minus 2. Y equals 2x minus 2 plus 4. So y equals 2x plus 2. So that is the equation of the line to the given point and parallel to the given line. Why this equation is parallel to the given line? Because the slope is the same. That's why we took the slope of this equation as the slope of that's why we took the slope of this equation to find the equation corresponding to this point, corresponding to that point, and corresponding to that point, and the slope equals 2. Now let's do another problem. If you take a look at this problem, you are given a point and you are given an equation. So this is an equation corresponding to a line. So let's rearrange this and change this equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. Okay, so 2y equals 6x, negative 6x plus 12. Meaning, if I divide both sides by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, now left side become y equals negative 3x plus 6. So this equation is in the form of y equals mx plus b, right? So by looking at this equation, you know slope is negative 3, right? So we got the slope of the given equation. So the slope of the given equation is very helpful because when two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. When two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So now we have one point and we also have the slope. So using these two, we can find out the equation corresponding to this point and slope negative 3. All right. So in order to do that, all you have to do is to apply the given values, or put these given values in the equation y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So you will get what's y and y1? One second. So this is x1 and this is y1. All right. So applying the values of x1 and y1 in this equation, you will get y minus 7 equals m is slope. Slope is 3. 3 times x minus x1 is negative 4. x1 is negative 4, right? All right. Actually, slope is not 3. Slope is negative 3. Slope is negative. All right. So let me take a step back. So applying the value of slope. Slope is what? Slope is negative. Let me adjust this thing. I think I made a mistake here. So negative 3x. This is negative 3x. So what is slope? Slope is negative 3. Okay. So like I said before, we have the given point right here. We have the given point, and we also have the equation of a straight line. And actually we rearrange this equation and we change that equation into y equals mx plus c form. Okay, and we found out that the slope is negative 3. So applying the value of slope in this equation, and from this point you know the value of x1 and y1. All right, so y minus 7 equals slope m is negative 3. Slope m is negative 3. So negative 3 times x minus x1 is what? x1 is negative 4. Okay, so you will get y minus 7 equals negative 3 times x plus 4, which is equal to y minus 7 equals negative 3x minus 12, because this is minus and this is plus. So when you multiply negative 3 and 4, you'll get negative 12. Okay, so if you rearrange this equation, you'll get y equals, I'm bringing 7 to the other side, negative 3x minus 12 plus 7. That can be written as y equals negative 3x minus 5. Okay, so the equation, so here's the answer. This is the equation of the line parallel to this line and passing through this point. Okay, all right, thanks for watching.